Okay, so here's my setup in general, and try to ratchet the steel straps, but basically just moves it back and forth. I'm going to kind of show you that here. Set this down. Let's see if it stays. Sorry for all the wobbling. There, I think that'll work. But hold everything into place, and when I ratchet, it doesn't tighten. The whole system just kind of moves around, and I can't really hold down everything and ratchet, but even when I try to, it still doesn't actually ratchet. It just clicks and nothing happens. So same thing happens with the other side as well. Let's see if I can show you that. And with all the bars too, not just this one that I'm trying to do. Let's see. Okay. So push this guy in. Try to hold everything down. And ratchet it up. Nothing happening. It's still not tight on here. It's in place kind of, but not really. And it just doesn't get any tighter, no matter what it is I'm trying to do over here to hold everything into place, but it just doesn't tighten up and comes off. Please help. Thanks.